Niyibona le ntombazane le bathu Azania Door, bathi content creator. La kuphi content creator? Wasn't nge-content le ntombazane. Wasn't nge-content. Just imagine. Le ntombazane OnlyFans adult content creator. Not just any content creator. Ayikho into ayiposta ngaphandle kweyibuni le ntombazana. Yini into akayikhulume engathi inalikelelo kuri podcast sabo Skim GP. La Skim GP nayo usifunela nje ama views laphana. Hayi la ntombazane leyana cabanga ozofuna ufuna 5,000 rands just for ukhishwa for 3 hours. Yini engayikhuluma enengqondo la ntombazane leya? What can I talk that has brains with that girl? Ngiyambonda lo la ifuna imali fast money lo mntwana lo. Why eso? Amantombazane wayeso mara. Kanti le mali ayithola ngecontent ayikho enough kanti. Ayenzi enough money on OnlyFans. Manje siyafuna uchaja amadoda i-5,000. Thina sikhuluma namantombazane mahala. I talk with the most hottest woman in the universe. Mahala for free. Yena she just average. Yabona manga mbonisa abantombazane engikhuluma nawo. Naye uzozibulala straight, uzocommit suicide. Uyolala esibhedlela abe coma the whole year. Mina ngabona into engikhuluma ngaze, the things that I'm talking to. Ngeke phela 5,000 yabona mara uthiwa yila amantombazane lawa abangani bami labo WhatsApp yami bona babanika even 100k but ibhatshaza amabhatshazi amapentshisi into ezibomvu eshaya ngodede lezibunu hey ubone nawo ezibunu ezingabanga umsinde that don't make noise. And ngibone enye ivideo lapha ku OnlyFans account yakhe lapha la mumfana ayikho tight, iyazigenela iyazivulekela imbobe kanganani yolo ngathi le minyango yaseChina. Hayi madoda, why eso le ntombazana angimkhulumi ngabe bana I'm just saying ukuthi why eso le ntombazana mara why eso uzosotha ubani mangabunjina mantombazana phela if wona untombazana ufollowa le ntombazana then awuna good role model. Awunayo good role model. Lama influencers bahleze bafuna ukumislead abantu abancane. Asenabo abafazi in South Africa now because of these girls aba misleader amantombazana wethu. Manje intombazana noma uyishela manje sikafuna ilife yasenibhuji. Akaze ngibona mina intombazana iposta i-vlog semkhukhwini. Akaze ngibone solo kwathi inhlo yala ngwabheka ama-vlogs. Akaze ngibona intombazana iposta semkhukhwini mimela Hlamlendo uThembisa or Alexandra. Akaze ngibone. It's always those renting apartments, ama-penthouse lawa founder yila ama-blesser lawa adla imali ye-state. Adla imali ye-state, I can't mention their names, bazazi nabo ukuthi benza imikhuba, leaving their wives laphana. Abafazi babo balala bangadlanga, some of them, just because these lay queens bafuna ama Gucci bags or 100k just to post on social media. Yazi mungizo understand if lama influencers they were doing something, maybe wenza ama business or whatever, they just buying these bags just to brag. What ngibona lo London napha ati looks good for 20 years. Into ongayishiyela umntana wakho le ukuthi umshiyele bag ye-100k, asamshiyeli maybe something yana ezomphilisa emfakela imali, uzomshiyela i-Gucci bag. Hayi phela leyo Gucci bag uzobe sengekho lasefashionini in that 20 years to come. Uzobe sekunamanye more expensive than leya. Leyana kuzoba ngathi manje uzoyithenga nge-1 rand. Lo uzoyithengisa umntana wakho ukuthi ayethengise, uzoyithenga 100 rand in the next 20 years to come. Guys, why niso mantombazana? Why niso? Njalo nifuna ukutshelwa, njalo nifuna ukukhuziwa. Why ningenantshayelo? Omama bethu bebenentshayelo beqonde thwi njengothi lomkhonto. Kodwa laba bafuna ukukhuzwa, bafuna ukutshelwa. Bathi yamara yabona into abani nama rights le. Yama rights is because a president naye uvuna la intombi. That's why amantombazana angasahloniphi asidelela because of le ntombi lezi. Azania Doll, I love your content but stop le nto yenzayo. izokubula. Hey guys, that's why amantombazane sometimes angene inkinga because amadoda ane-anger. Be safe, Azania Doll. Be safe. Ba safe lapho. I love you, Azania Doll.